Hi, my name is Preeti. I'm a student of Federation Uni at IABIT Sydney campus. I am currently studying Itech 7415. As a part of this course, we are working on a project. We are a team of 4 members working for our client's project. Our client is Ellen's Furniture. The Ellen's Furniture is a well-known furniture store for offering all ranges of furniture in the city of Auburn, located in Sydney, Australia. The product that is introduced in the project is known as Web Portal that will also aid with other functionalities. Our project is to create a web design portal for our client, Ellen's Furniture Store, so that they could run it for their customers who can conveniently shop from their house. And the channel would consist of an easy to use interface with minimum screen symbols and can easily be operated and maintained with minimum technical knowledge. Moreover, it would be platform independent, so that would be easy to use by any age people. Following our project is based on the following of agile methodology. All the tasks are divided and accomplished under 3 sprints. All the defined user stories are built under the sprint cycle, and through designing period, the developers remain in thorough communication with our client in order to keep up with any sort of change or requirements. We have come up with 30 different user stories, which will be worked under 3 different sprints. Each sprint comprises of 10 user stories. So in a matter of 3 user stories, that would be in a roughly 3 months, we could come up, we will be finishing the project. Some of the key factors of our project is to committed to provide quality design for our project. Any recommendations from our team members, clients, or supervisors and tutors would be taken into consideration and thoroughly make that into an effective way, so that we maintain a clear communication and to give our best for the project. Improved plan was finalized and decided to implement in the sprint 3, and that's where we finished off with a lot of our minor features that we might have missed out. The problem statement, if we come to the Ellen's Furniture, is that they had a problem of the customers visit a store every time when they wanted to get products. The organization, since they do not have a web store portal where the customers can place orders without having to visit the store. So this is the case where they would like to come up with an online store where the customers would not have to go to the store to place an order every time. Organizations wanted to, so that they can provide comfort to their customers. Customers can also have an option of custom designs of products they want. Some of our major client requirements would be is to develop a web portal wherein design of the system will be scaled for the future enhancements in case the organization wanted any upgrade on the system. The theoretical model is that the software development expertise theory, it is used in providing depth understanding of various aspects of development of the system. Theory suggests on the best practices and required features for the developers to come up with the best system. This sort of theory was utilized in development of the web portal. The methodology we used to finish off this project is the agile methodology. It was used in fact that it emphasizes on the collaboration, continuous improvement, and high quality results. It focuses on the deliverables such as roadmap, product backlog, release plan, and the sprint backlog. Some of the tools that we used for our project would be PHP, MySQL, CSS, Laravel, and so on, as you can see on the screen. Some of the key features that we worked on the sprint 1 would be user story 1 to user story 10, and in these 10 user stories, which we prioritized as high level of priority, some of the main features that we focused on are user registration page, login page, and customer profile page. And some of the basic products that we, in the first phase of the plan, so we just pushed on some basic products to see how the web portal is going to look like and how the home page is going to come up like. And under the sprint 2, where we worked on user stories 11 to user story 20, we worked on the next high priority user stories. And some of the key features for this product would be the login page, where we could specifically enter the details and see if that is coming through. So this was more like the back-end work, and the sales report and the prices of the products, we had to thoroughly change with the prices of the products, and since the software we were using, as we are ERP students, we had a little trouble with that, but with the support of our tutors and our supervisor, we were able to overcome with that, and we also managed to maintain and display the stock in the website. When it comes to Sprint 3, we worked on user stories that are 21, user story 21 to user story 30, and this had mostly the final end of the products that we should have should include. Those would be like an help page where the customer could drop in the details so that they could connect it to the supervisor, a contact us page, and where they could just drop in their details once again, and the client or the admin could call back the customer on a time that is suitable for the customer, so that they can have a brief chat on what their requirement is. And also we developed the feature of password changing or forgot password, or the client where they can update their contact information or addresses. And also that we have worked on the Sprint 3 is the payment page, where they can do the payments either through cash on delivery or through online payments. So we had to work on the online payment page. And the other key factor of the Sprint 3 report would be the tracking, wherein they place the delivery and they place an order, and we could just get the delivery details. And here is a representation of our flow diagram of basically how the web portal is going to work on. And some of my personal contributions to be speaking of in the under Sprint 1, 2, and 3 would be that my work in placing the logo for login page and the sign-in process, testing of navigation of the sign-in page, and working on order page, stock page, editing, the customers being able to edit their own details and information. And in the Sprint 2, I worked on sales reports, catalog page. And on the Sprint 3, I worked on the contact page, purchase history, online payment. So basically all our team members have worked on, but it is just the part of who's doing the front-end work, back-end work, and how the testing goes. I would like to say that now that we are at the end of our project and everything's done, after doing the numerous tests of our web portal prototype, we found no bugs, and everything seems to be really well. And when we have showed this to our client and our supervisor, they seem to be really happy with our work. And with the with the website prototype that we have created, there seems to be no problem, and that's how we could proceed further. With the help of our team members, we are making comprehensive research reports, converting distinct modules. Apart from the meeting with our client and supervisor, they gave us clear idea about the scope of the project based on the client requirements. At the end, we will be developing by now, we are ready to give a complete prototype of a significant task that we have concentrated on, gathering information, also descriptive analysis. We have also completed all the work by cooperation with team-oriented methodology. The proof of our work done by each team member is referenced in the individual accomplishments in our assignments. At this stage, I'm pleased to inform that we have successfully finished our project with the coordination of our team. Our team is extremely thankful to our tutor Ahmad Nadeem Said, who has shown constant support and guided us throughout the entire project, and also our client Santosh, who has always been really clear about their requirements and communication support, and also our supervisor Rekha, who has constantly given us feedback on where we can improve and how we can proceed further. So I would like to thank all of our tutors, supervisors, and clients to make us able to complete this project in a matter of 3 months. So thank you, and thank you for listening.